Mulethi is a herb used in making cough candies along with various dishes and beverages. It can also help with gastrointestinal disorders, colds and coughs, excessive sugar, and blood pressure. Let's all agree that the age-old methods of treating common health issues are back again. Many of us are returning to our roots in search of those ingredients that have stood the test of time and have been shown to be healthy. One herb our grandparents swore by is mulethi, also known as licorice or licorice, and we too have become aware of its many advantages. For the uninitiated, licorice root is grown throughout Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. It's a herb that is used in making cough candies along with various dishes and beverages. Mulethi can help with anything from gastrointestinal disorders to infections like colds and coughs, as well as excessive sugar and blood pressure. This herb can help with indigestion and constipation. Licorice water helps relieve muscle spasms and gastrointestinal inflammation, both of which can cause indigestion. Licorice root can be eaten in 3 ways. 1. To make licorice root tea, take 1 cup of hot water and add 1 licorice root. Let the root steep in the hot water for 5 minutes. Strain and serve. You can use this beverage to ease indigestion and constipation, and also to soothe a sore throat. 2. If you don't like to drink its tea, you can simply chew licorice root. 3. You can make powder of the root and add it to your chai or hot milk. Simple yet effective. Besides indigestion and constipation, licorice can help with various other health issues. Wondering what those are? Take a look. Here are a few more benefits of licorice root, or mulethi. 1. Cures cold and cough. Mulethi is effective at treating colds and coughs, particularly dry coughs. Due to its natural bronchodilator properties, it is an effective ingredient for treating asthma-related symptoms in the winter. 2. Prevents menstrual cramps. Mulethi has antispasmodic effects, which are known to act as muscle relaxants. This also eases discomfort and helps to prevent cramping. 3. Aids gut health. Glycyrrhizin and carboxylone are the 2 active components found in mulethi. In addition to relieving constipation, stomach pain, heartburn, acidity, and other stomach issues, these compounds may also help prevent gastric and peptic ulcers.